Together Festival is coming back on June the 14th, so put it in your diaries and make sure that you're there at Himley Hall for the Together Festival 2025. It's going to be a great day coming together with other believers, with loads of people around the Black Country to see what God is doing in our area. So guys, if you want to get your tickets, head to the Love Black Country website, and there's going to be so much going on that day. There's going to be so many different zones. There's going to be a worship zone, a youth zone, a kids zone, a family zone. Any zone you think of, I'm pretty sure it's going to be there. So get your tickets and don't miss out this year for the Together Festival.
I know that it's hard to believe what I'm saying, but I'm a child of a king who delights in saving.
Father's Day is coming up on the 15th of June, which is a little reminder for you people to get your father or your guardian a gift. But we'll be having a special Father's Day service here at Excel Church. And on that day, there will also be feedback from the Spain mission team that will have completed their mission. So we can't wait to hear all of what God has done in and through them on their time in Spain. So make sure you come along for that service. There'll be a gift for all you men as well. Lucky days for you. So come along and we'll have a great time celebrating together.
I'm back again. Never give up, keep my head up, never back down, never look back, I'm back again.
It's a busy month this month at Excel Church, but we want you to just know that on the June the 29th, which is a Sunday, there are going to be no services here at Excel Church. But that is because we're going to be here at Hickman Park for Hope in the Park. Another year where it's coming back for us to reach our community with the hope of the gospel and some outreach. So join us here. It's for families. It's for anybody who wants to come for a really nice Sunday day out. You can even have a picnic right here on the grass. So come along. Spread the word to your neighbours, to your friends, to your community around you, and come along. And if you'd like to volunteer and offer some help on the day to make things run a bit smoother, then do speak to Dan or one of the team to offer yourself for the day. We can't wait to have a great time at Hope in the Park 2025.
I'm back again. I'm back again. Never give up.
On Sunday, the 6th of July, we've got a very special Sunday happening here as part of our local mission weekend. We're going to be joined in both of our services, 10:30 a.m. and 5 p.m, with Mark Ritchie, who's going to bring us a bit of comedy with the gospel message. It is a great opportunity to bring anyone who is curious about Jesus and knowing him personally. So we'd really encourage you spreading the word and bringing your friends along to that. Now, after each service, we're going to be having a lovely outreach barbecue as well in the sun for you to bring along any of your friends that are curious about the Christian faith. Bring them along. It's going to be a great time together where we're sharing some food and some sun, best combo in the world, and it's going to be a lovely time. Now, please, if you're able to, please make an effort to come to the 5 p.m. one instead of the morning one, just so that we can make sure we free up enough space for all our guests. We want to make sure that it's not just everyone at the morning, but that it's spread across both services. So make a special effort. There's going to be a bouncy castle at this barbecue. There's going to be mascot friends showing up, so you don't want to miss out on all the fun and all the food. It's going to be a great way to share Jesus with our community.
Never done, never down, never again. Thank God I'm here, taking every chance I can. I'm feeling strong, no, I'm not afraid to leave. I'm a warrior, I'm victorious.
So that's all for church news, but don't forget, release is happening this Wednesday night at 7:30, and on Saturday morning you can join us for Next Level, where we go deeper in the Bible together. So have a great week, guys.